Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have pulled from the depths of my long forgotten packages, which I have sitting in a secret corner of my house. Today I am unboxing a package that I purchased 11 months ago. That sounds a little better than a year ago. It's pretty much the same. Anyways, this is from Filament Fanatic and it is a few pin tips. So let's get into it. This came in a Pebble package and it's wrapped up. So I'm going to unwrap it now. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is their card. Now, this is probably an old card. Maybe that's what they still have. I don't know. Like I said, this is not a recent purchase, but this is their information. I will link Filament Fanatic's Etsy store in the description box down below. Be sure to check them out. And on the back it says, "Thank you, enjoy." Very cute. This says, "Please use with care. Don't be heavy-handed with it." I am used to using Bella Art de Nicole's 3D printed multi-placer tips and I really love them, but that is a thing about 3D printed tips is you have to be gentle with them, otherwise they do break. And if you are heavy-handed, just expect to go through a lot of them. But I love different colored pin tips because they just add a really special element, I think, when you're diamond painting. So let's look at the ones that I got. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this came packaged really nice, actually. So I have 3 pin tips here. I have a 6-placer. It's a multi-placer. It is curved, and it's a regular width. It's not thin or anything. And then I have these 3D printed angled single placers. I wanted to have some cool options for my single placers, so I thought I would try these out. And these are super cute. I love this one. It reminds me of cotton candy, and I love the clear on this because this will match with just about any pin I put it on. Yep, super excited about those. I am going to go put these on some pins that I have. I'm going to show you an example. There might be a few of you out there who are a little unfamiliar with this idea of changing the tips on your pins. So I'm going to show you briefly what I'm talking about. So, for example, I have this really cool pin that I got from Crafts with Crashly. She made that for me. So this is actually, if you look in there, you can see it's just a standard blue regular pin. So when you get pins for diamond paintings, you can take the tips off. You can put on different size multi-placers. So in this example, with these, you just stick those right. You just replace it with that. And this one doesn't necessarily match, but you know, you get the idea. And then you have some cool different tips for your pins. Yeah. If I was to get colors for this, I would probably do like an orange over here. And then maybe probably a gold tip. I think a gold tip would look really nice with that. But anyways, that's one of the fun things about switching up pin tips is you can customize your pins even further to make them as cool as you want. So that's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Check out Filament Fanatic's shop. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.